Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings and Stampin' Camp with Mary. And today I want to show you a quick and easy card using winter woods. This card, or this set, we are using in our Stamp a Month Club. Stampin' Up is challenging all its demos to do simple stamping at least once a month, or I'm going to try to do it once a week. Do simple, really simple cards using paper, ink, and stamps. And I'm missing a piece of important ink. Okay. As most of you know, I went to our celebration, or our convention, which is called On Stage this year. So what I'm going to do is do this really simple stamping card. I'm going to use the, of course, Winter Woods and Itty Bitty Greetings. I am going to be using the Memento Black ink, and I'm going to be using the Definitely Detailed note cards. And I'm going to be using my Stamparatus, of course. So what I want to do is I am going to place the large trees. It's the one with the 5 trees on that. I'm going to be placing that down, and then I'm going to be picking that up. And I'm going to be inking that. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, there. And I'm going to be inking that up. Let's see. I hope that looks like it may be a little crooked. Pick that up again. Still looks a little crooked, so I'm just going to be putting it down like that. It really looks crooked. So I'm going to be putting it down like that so it's straight. Now, you know that Stampin' Up is getting away from their wood stamps. They're going away from their wood stamps and their clear mount stamps. They're going to have what's called cling stamps. So I'm inking that up with Memento. Now, the big thing, again, is, you know, once everything comes around, goes around, comes around, whatever, is black and white stamping. So got to get that down. Let's see. Let's bring that a little ways away. There we go. And then I am just going to put, this is Hey Friend from the from the Itty Bitty Greetings. Oh, no, 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 no. And I'm just going to ink that up. Now, you could do this on a Whisper White or a Very Vanilla. There you go. Whisper White, Very Vanilla. You could do it on any cardstock. You could do it with any color. You can step this up a little bit more. Now, if you really want to see this, if you're a little more like a casual stamper and you would like a little bit more, I will tell you on the Stamp a Month Club this month, we're using Winter Woods, and I will show you 2 steps up of this exact same card. One will be just a little bit stepped up, and then another one will be a wow. So you really want to look at that. Anyhow, for Mary's Stamping Happening and Stampin' Camp, and the new one is called Simply Stamping. Simple Stamping. So have a good one. Bye-bye.